Atras muna tayo.
May arestuhan ba kay Senator Bato to at least tonight? And what happens to the 9 NBI personnel?
Hindi ako alis.
Atras tayo.
Hindi. Ano lang para maluwag din kayong lahat.
Big speech lang po. Okay.
Para lang maluwag din kayong lahat.
Guys, atras tayo.
Ako nahihiya sa inyo.
Okay. Sir, may arestuhan ba kay Sen Bato at least by tonight? And what happens to the 9 NBI personnel?
According to the NBI director, as soon as they heard na ang stand officially ng Senate, yung Senate Resolution 44 at yung manifestation ni Senator Marcoleta na dapat dumaan to sa korte, hindi na nila pinursu na arrestuhin siya ngayon. According to him, coordinated kay Senate President Tito Soto ang pagpasok nila. So ang balik namin sa kanya, coordinated man ang pagpasok nyo, hindi naman siguro tama o wala naman siguro nagbigay ng pahintulot makipaghabulan. So sinasabi niya that is incidents of the arrest, so we agreed to disagree at mag-fact finding. We explained to him that this is not a criminal or a administrative case that needs further study at meron pong due process. This is a contempt case. So we agreed na kaso sa magsiksikan sila dito o inhumane dito under his custody pero hindi niya pauuwiin. He will hold them in the NBI, he will ask them to explain, then write me officially tomorrow. Separate yun sa bugbugan. He promised me that if, kasi ang report daw una sa kanya, ang usahan na nakit. I showed him the video. So sabi niya, let him get to the bottom at asahan na paparusahan ang dapat parusahan. So hanggang doon pa lang kami, but I was saying nga, despite all of those assurances, I do know he has bosses above him.
So Senator Bato will not be arrested tonight, but what about tomorrow?
We will see what the rest of government says after tonight. But ang appeal ko sa kanila, palakasin natin ang mga korte sa Pilipinas. Walang mawawala sa atin kung mag-a-apply sila ng warrant sa korte at pababayaan nila yung due process, lahat ng legal remedies. It will strengthen us, not weaken us.
So if the NBI wants to enter tomorrow the Senate premises, you will allow it?
Hindi pwede.
Not anymore. So yung
Sinabi naman niya, kaya hindi naman daw sila papasok kung hindi sila pinayagan.
At ngayon naalis na sila, sir?
Yes.
Walis na
So,
sila, sir?
ang request lang ng ibang senador not to suspend until tomorrow, until sure na wala nang natira. Marami kasing text, maraming mga balita na tinitingnan niya ibang kotse, nandyan sa labas, may armas. So isa-isa clarify, and I have to take the PNP. Agad pinadala si General Aberin, who is a well-respected officer, at inassure niya ng police assistance. Hindi naman kailangan kasi between the NBI director, the ROSAA, and General Aberin, parang nagkasundo naman sila na walang untoward incidents. But despite that daw, magsastasyon daw sila ng police starting tonight ata or early tomorrow.
No more NBI operatives inside.
Ang report sa akin right before this, nag-report daw ng wala, but umiikot ngayon ang Sergeant of Arms to make sure.
Thank you.
Mag-adjourn, mag-suspend tayo till tomorrow.
Okay.
Thank you.